So what goes wrong? What causes 99% of all septic tank and soakaway problems? Cleaning products. Cleaning products such as bleach, washing powder, dishwasher tablets and toilet cleaners kill septic tanks and have become the #1 leading cause for all septic tank and soakaway problems. Let me explain why. A healthy septic tank has its own ecosystem living inside it. Now, this ecosystem is made up of good bacteria and enzymes which clean the septic tank, keeping it healthy and making sure it functions normally. Now, cleaning products kill this ecosystem inside the septic tank, and because the bacteria cannot treat the wastewater anymore, within a short space of time, an unnatural amount of fat and grease and sludge builds up on the bottom of the septic tank, and this waste starts to rot and fester, releasing gases up through the drains and the soakaway, and these gases produce the horrible odours and are the main reasons why many septic tanks smell really bad. But it doesn't stop there. The fat and the grease and the sludge continue to build up inside the septic tank until eventually it reaches the outlet pipe. Now, from there, the fat and the grease and the sludge then starts to make its way through this outlet pipe and enters the pipe arteries that lead to the soakaway. And in time, the fat and the grease and the sludge start to choke and clog and block up the entire septic tank and soakaway system. And once this happens, the soakaway will stop working and the septic tank will start to overflow and back up to the house. Now, at this point, you normally have two options. Option 1, jetting or rodding. Now, sometimes if debris such as sanitary towels or baby wipes get stuck in a pipe, rods are great for dislodging this debris and unblocking the pipe. But because fat, grease and sludge are semi-liquid, the drainage rod will just poke straight through it, making it impossible to unblock the pipes this way. Now, the other popular method is jetting, and many septic tank emptying firms have jetting equipment on their lorries and offer to blast high-powered water into the soakaway to try and unblock these pipes. Now, again, this sounds like a good idea, but in reality, it does more harm than good. Now, soakaway pipes are all surrounded by soil, so when high-powered water is blasted into them, the fat, the grease and the sludge just get compressed, making the original problem even worse. Option 2, septic tank emptying. Now, to try and remove the blockages and smells, many people get their septic tank sucked out, and whilst this sounds like a good idea, it doesn't really fix the problem. Let me explain why. Although the wastewater inside the tank is sucked out, the fat and the grease and the sludge which is causing all the blockages is still stuck in all the pipes that lead to and from the soakaway, and this sludge will continue to clog and block up the entire soakaway system. And because of this, the whole process will start all over again. Within a few days, the septic tank will fill up again with stagnant wastewater and start to smell. And at £200 each time to get the septic tank emptied, this method can soon start to become quite an expensive option. Option 3 is an amazing solution that will fix all your septic tank and soakaway problems. Soakaway worms are an incredible, safe, clean, natural and organic solution. Worms have been around for thousands of years, breaking down and converting waste into safe, clean, organic matter. Soakaway worms will not only unblock your soakaway from all the fat and the grease and the sludge, but they'll also keep it clean, preventing your septic tank and soakaway from ever developing problems again. Soakaway worms come in a large bucket. Simply take the lid off the bucket and tip the entire contents into the septic tank. The worms will then sink to the bottom of the tank, landing on top of the sludge, and very quickly these worms will adjust to their new surroundings and will start burrowing and working their way into the fat and the grease and the sludge, and they'll start breeding and multiplying. Now, from there, these worms will make their way deep into the main arteries of the soakaway, reaching into all the nooks and the crannies and the areas that rodding and jetting just cannot get to. As the worms eat all the fat and the grease and the sludge, they'll start cleaning and unblocking the sludge and the waste from the soakaway pipes, allowing the wastewater in the soakaway pipes to start flowing freely once again, enabling it to drain away naturally through the soakaway and into the topsoil. Soakaway worms will also save you hundreds of pounds in septic tank emptying costs. Because they eat all the fat and the grease and the sludge in the septic tank, you never need to get it emptied again because there's no sludge left to suck out. Soakaway worms unblock soakaways. Soakaway worms prevent blockages from ever occurring again. Soakaway worms will save you thousands in repairs and septic tank emptying costs. Soakaway worms are easy to install and are a one-off treatment. Soakaway worms also come with a lifetime guarantee. But that's not all. With each bucket, we're also giving away an expensive free bonus gift. It's called Septic Tank Fertilizer. Now, if you've never heard of Septic Tank Fertilizer, it's one of my best-selling products and it's designed to protect your septic tank from the harmful effects of cleaning products. It also removes smells and revives dead sewage systems. Now, 1 year's treatment of this amazing bacterial product normally costs £149, but today you can have it for free with a bucket of worms. So, how does septic tank fertilizer work? Well, in each of the 12 water-soluble sachets, there are billions of organic bacteria and enzymes which remove smells, revive dead systems, and prevent 99% of all septic tank problems. So how do you get septic tank fertilizer into your septic tank? Well, it's really easy. Simply drop one of the water-soluble sachets into the toilet and let it dissolve, which generally takes about 30 seconds. As it dissolves, it will release billions of organic bacteria and enzymes into the water. Once it's dissolved, then simply just flush the loo. The organic bacteria will then leave the toilet and start making their way down the pipes that lead to the septic tank. And as that bacteria travels through the pipes, it will remove the germs and clean them as it goes. Once they enter the septic tank, the billions of organic bacteria and enzymes instantly get to work, removing smells and protecting your septic tank from the harmful effects of cleaning products. So let's just recap what you're getting today when you take advantage of this amazing offer. You're getting an extra large bucket of my premium product, Organic Red Soakaway Worms. Soakaway worms unblock soakaways and prevent them from becoming blocked again. Because they eat all the fat and the grease and the sludge, there's nothing to be sucked out. So you'll also save hundreds of pounds each year in septic tank emptying costs. And don't forget, they also come with a full 100% money-back guarantee. But that's not all. Today, you're also getting an expensive free bonus gift. It's one of my best-selling products and it's called Septic Tank Fertilizer. And as you've just seen, Septic Tank Fertilizer protects septic tanks from the harmful effects of cleaning products. It also removes smells and revives dead systems. Now, this product normally costs £149 for a year's treatment, but today it's yours for free. To take advantage of this incredible limited offer, simply just click the order button from below this video, and then I'll not only send you an extra large bucket of these amazing organic red soakaway worms, I'll also send you your free gift, 1 year's worth of septic tank fertilizer, and I'll also deliver it for free. For more information, just click the link below this video or visit septictank.co.uk for free help and advice.